Well, g'day and welcome back to my channel. This afternoon I'd like to show you a few items that I use for doing some cooking when we're on camping trips, and I enjoy using the Biolite products. The very first Biolite product I ever bought was their first generation bio stove. What this item does is it burns very efficiently. As it burns, it generates electricity. And the electricity that it does generate from a heat exchange generates enough power to run the fan and also charge up mobile phones, cameras and such. Now I've had this for about 6 years and the battery started to die in it, so what I did is I replaced it. Now there was a gentleman on YouTube who has replaced their battery, and I watched that video, and thanks for that information. It made my job so much easier, and I changed the battery in it and it runs exactly the same as the first day I bought it. These are a great product. Now I love the bio stove so much that I bought their fire pit, and that's what we're cooking on today. It also burns very efficiently, and as you can see, no smoke. I found that this little setup that I've got here for cooking on, with a rack, barbecue plate to cook on, a fantastic way to cook while you're out camping. Now this doesn't generate electricity, but there does have enough power in the battery to power the fire pit for around 20 hours. And when it's not being used, you can also charge devices like phones, GoPros and such. Tonight we're going to be cooking a beautiful chicken soup. So once I've got that all ready to go, let's go through that process. Alright, let's get started on a nice chicken soup. First off, I'm going to spray the camp oven with some oil. Now we're using chicken thighs. I find chicken thighs are much nicer in a soup like this. Oh, I love that. Just going to brown this chicken off, put some veggies in. Now what we've got here is some onion, carrot, celery and potatoes. I'm going to put that in. And we'll just let that simmer down for a little while. Well, now we've had this simmering for around about 20 minutes. Gonna just stir it a bit more, and we're gonna add add a litre of chicken stock. around about a cup of water. Some parsley and some thyme. Give that a bit of a stir up. She's looking good already. Now we're going to cover her up, leave that for about an hour to simmer. We'll come back and check it in an hour. Well, the soup's been simmering now for around an hour. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the lid off. Oh, that looks fantastic. Give it a bit of a stir. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to let that reduce down for about 10 or 15 minutes, serve it out, and we're going to have a beautiful warm chicken soup on a very cold night tonight. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you out in the great outdoors sometime. Bye for now.